Hello everyone, welcome back to our yet another new video. My name is Saugat Thapa and I am your tutor for compulsory maths. So our today's topic is going to be angles made by a transversal with the lines. So before starting our new topic, let's understand what exactly a transversal means. Transversal. Here we have a pair of lines called line AB and CD, which are parallel to each other. And line EF here intersects line AB and CD at points G and H. So the intersecting line is called transversal, or the line EF here is called transversal. In the figure, the lines AB and CD are intersected by a line EF at G and H respectively. The line EF is called transversal, or the intersecting line is called transversal. Angles formed by the transversal with the lines. Altogether, 8 angles are formed when two line segments are intersected by a transversal line. The angles are angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7 and angle 8. The first type of angle is called exterior angles. When two line segments are intersected by a transversal, then the angles formed outside the lines on both the sides of transversal are called exterior angles. Here, the exterior angles are angle 1, angle 2, angle 7 and angle 8. The reason why they are called exterior angles is because they are formed outside the lines. So, they are exterior angles. Next, interior angles. When two line segments are intersected by a transversal, then the angles formed inside the lines on both the sides of transversal are called interior angles. Here, the interior angles are angle 3, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6. The reason why they are called interior angles is because they are formed inside the lines. So, they are interior angles. Next type of angles is called corresponding angles and they are formed in F pattern. In the adjoining figure, the corresponding angle of 4 is 8. If we have a look at angle 4 and 8, they are formed in F pattern. Similarly, the corresponding angle of 3 is 7. Angle 3 and angle 7 are also formed in F pattern but opposite F. Similarly, the corresponding angle of 1 is 5 and 2 is 6. Corresponding angles are always equal to each other. That is, angle 4 is equal to angle 8, angle 3 is equal to angle 7, angle 1 is equal to angle 5 and angle 2 is equal to angle 6. Corresponding angles are in the pattern of F. Some of the examples of corresponding angles are: corresponding angles could be formed in pattern like this, which looks like F. Corresponding angles could also be formed in pattern like this, which looks like an opposite F. Corresponding angles could also be formed in pattern like this. Co-interior angles. In the adjoining figure, the co-interior angle of 4 is 6. Angle 4 and angle 6 are formed in pattern of C. And the co-interior angle of 3 is 5. And they are formed in pattern of opposite C. The sum of co-interior angles is always 180 degree. Co-interior angles are never equal to each other, but their sum is 180 degree. That is, angle 4 plus angle 6 equals to 180 degree and angle 3 plus angle 5 is equals to 180 degree. Co-interior angles are in the form of U or C. Some of the examples of co-interior angles are: co-interior angles are formed in pattern like this, which looks like a C. Co-interior angles could be formed in pattern like this, which looks like a U. Co-interior angles could also be formed in pattern like this, which looks like an opposite C. So, co-interior angles are never equal to each other, but the sum of co-interior angles is always 180 degree and they are formed in the pattern of U or C. Next, alternate angles. They are formed in the pattern of Z. In the adjoining figure, the alternate angle of 3 is 6. Angle 3 and angle 6 is formed in the pattern of Z. And the alternate angle of 4 is 5. They are formed in the pattern of opposite Z. The alternate angles are always equal. That is, angle 3 is equals to angle 6 and angle 4 is equals to angle 5. Alternate angles are in the pattern of Z. Some of the examples of alternate angles are: alternate angles could be formed in pattern like this, which looks like a Z. Alternate angles could also be formed in pattern like this, which looks like an opposite Z. So, alternate angles are always equal to each other and they are formed in Z pattern. So, to summarize, we just learned about transversal, angles formed by the transversal with the lines, exterior angles, interior angles, corresponding angles, co-interior angles, and alternate angles. So before I end my session for today, I would like to end it with the thought of the day like I always do. The same boiling water that softens the potato hardens the egg. It's what you are made of, not the circumstances. So be strong. We can overcome this pandemic together. Thank you very much for joining our class for today. If there is any problem or if there is anything I need to improve, please feel free to comment down below. Thank you.